Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you another strategy of trading over an other market. Specifically, we are going to go with over 3 market. So guys, all you have to do here is to go to Deriv trading view. So here I'm changing the volatility so that we can start off this strategy. So I'm making sure the bot I'm making sure the Deriv it also matches with the Deriv app, the volatility. So for our strategy, the first thing that we need to do is we are going to use two key indicators. So the first key indicator that we are going to use is moving average. We are going to use CCI, we are going to use MACD, and also we are going to use RSI. So the first thing that we need to do here is to come to indicators and then we search moving average. So we are going to add moving average 3 times because we are going to need them. So for the first one, you need to come here to the setting and we are going to we are coming here to the length, and for the length we are going to use 10. For the color we are going to leave it at blue, but for the rest we are going to change. For this one we are going to go for the length 20. Also I have forgotten to change this one to exponential moving average. So this one, let me change it to exponential moving average or EMA. So for 20, let's change the color to like red or yellow. So let's go with red. Okay, so for our that moving average we are going to change it to color. So let's see, let's go with orange. So we are going to input the length to 100. Okay, so that's okay also. So the next thing that we need to do here is we need to go to indicator and add CCI. So we are going to add our CCI. Our another indicator that we are going to use here is stochastic RSI. So let me add it here so that we can start off our strategy. Another indicator that we need here is MACD. So we are okay now. So for our market, the first thing that we need to do here is we are going to make sure the EMA are pointing downwards, like we are going for the down trade for us to enter over 3 market. For CCI, we are going to look for a negative value and also a falling trade without beds. Like if it was here, it was a good entry. So let me, so if it was here, here it was a good entry on CCI. The same goes for RSI. So for our entry point, this is what we are going to look for. We are going to look at EMA. EMA have to be looking have to be showing a down trend, and also the candle forming should be red. For CCI, it should be facing downwards without beds, and also for stochastic RSI, that should be the line should be meeting and also going down. So for MACD, we have to make sure the volume, this candle volume, it's red or it's showing it's losing momentum if it's from an upward market. So as you can see, this market, it's not good for our entry, so we are going to change to another market. So let's try 25 and see how it goes like. until we find a strategy. So this one, it's a good market, but as you can see here, these CCI have some bends, so it might not be good for us. So let's go to 50 until we find a good market for us to enter the market. So you can see CCI have some beds, so we are going to 75. So this one, it's going upward. So let me go with the 101S. Okay, 51S. So let's go with 75. So let me try this over 3 market, because the reason I'm doing that, it's because of this candlestick. But let's go. So the first thing that we need to do here, we are going to use a Deriv Bot, because we are going to use Trading View. So when you combine Trading View with a bot, it's much easier instead of a manual trade. So you can see it's going down. Also, this one is red, this one is showing coming down. So let me come to the bot, and then we set. We are using 75S when we are trading over 3. So we are going to take 5 trades, and then we are out of the market. So this is my bot. So all I need to do here is to click open. So I'm coming here to change to volatility 75S. Yes, 75S. We are doing over market. For our take profit, we are going for our stake, we are going with 100. So for our prediction, we are going with over 3. So we are going to change this to over 3. So after that, all we have to do here is to enter our trade. Although I can see some bets in CCI, but let me run. Also, the good thing about this bot is it usually wait for a signal to buy a contract. So although it's not fast, but it usually wait for that signal until it executes the trade. So let's wait until it find a good signal, and then we take 5 trades, and then we are out of the market. Although we can maybe go to 10 and see how it works. So for the first contract, it usually takes some few minutes, but it's going to take the first trade. So you can see here, so it has taken our first trade, and it's a win. Our second one also, it's a win. So we only have, maybe we can choose to go to 8, but you can see here it's a green bar, and our bot usually waits for a red bar. That's our third contract. Okay, so let's wait. So this market, it's not that good, because you can see it's some bet. But if it was from here, when there is a red candle, it's coming down, and also in the MACD, it's losing momentum, it's a good market. As you can see here, the bot usually wait for a retest for it to enter the market. You can see we have 5 trades, 0 losses. So sometimes when you get a good bot, you can make a lot of money, but if you know how to enter the market. So let's wait for another market. You can see we have 6 trades, no loss. So let's wait for our seventh contract. You can see it's delaying a little bit, but it's doing that for waiting for a signal. We have 8 wins. Let's wait for 2 more. And as you can see here, the market, it's coming down. We have our first loss. So let's see. Our third win. Also, and the good thing about it, it doesn't have a martingale. So no worry, maybe if you go a loss, maybe your account it's going to blow. If you get a loss and maybe you feel like you don't want to stop. So I'm waiting for the last one and then I'm out of the market. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you have learned a few tricks here and there.